Welcome and thank you so much for being here. Today I prepared a very quick unboxing video. I'd like to show you one of Picmondoo's newest releases, a limited edition mystery diamond painting kit. And not just any mystery kit, this one is a super huge and hides a summer themed design. That's exactly what makes it so exciting, because it can easily keep you busy for an entire month. So, if you still haven't found the perfect summer project, here's a very exciting possibility for you. Yes, today's video will be a quick product showcase. As I'm unboxing everything, you can already see that Picmondoo paintings arrive beautifully packaged in high quality cardboard boxes. First of all, here's the toolkit containing the small accessories, and here is the canvas itself. It arrives carefully rolled up, and in this case, as you can see, it's covered with white silicone paper instead of the classic clear film with numbers printed on it. I'm already unrolling it. The first thing that appears is the information sheet, and here are the diamonds as well, a huge amount of them. While I'm struggling a little with flattening out the canvas, let me quickly explain something. This silicone paper covering is much thicker than the traditional clear film, so these little air bubble strips can appear underneath. But I'll show you in a second what to do about that. First, let's take a look at the information sheet included in the kit. And here are the diamonds again. These are square drills. And here's the toolkit once more. Now let's open this first. Inside we have the classic plastic diamond painting pen, two heart-shaped wax pieces, the protective grip for the pen, and the multiplacer tip. Pretty much every Picmondoo kit comes with this. And now let's check out the information sheet. Since this is a mystery painting, we obviously don't know what image it hides, and that's what makes it so interesting. The canvas size is 50 by 75 centimeters, so it's absolutely huge. At least for me, this definitely belongs in the huge category. Okay, it contains 58 colors with 4 square drills. And now two important things. Every single small symbol here is actually a sticker, so preparing the kit will be incredibly easy. You simply stick them onto your storage bags or containers and pour in the diamonds. The other exciting detail is that among the drills there are 9 fairy dust colors and 1 AB color. So this painting should end up being incredibly sparkly. Okay, let's take a closer look at the diamonds. Even before opening them, I can already tell there will be every shade of red and pink in this kit. But first, back to the air bubbles under the canvas. Using this little tool, I personally call it a tiny blade, you can gently push the air out from between the cover sheet and the canvas. I definitely recommend doing this because trapped air can affect the adhesive quality. As you can see, my canvas already looks much smoother and nicer, and most importantly, it becomes much easier to work on. And now, let me show you the drills up close. So again, 1 AB and 9 fairy dust colors. There are actually a lot of them too, multiple bags of each color. I absolutely love this type of drill. It gives such a unique sparkle to the designs. So once again, these are all special fairy dust drills, and here's the AB drill again. But let me show you the other colors too. There are a few green and blue shades, but most of the colors, just like we already saw, are different shades of red and pink. There are also lighter skin tone shades all the way to yellows and oranges, plus many variations of those colors as well. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the canvas. As you can see, every section is numbered from 1 to 30. For me, this is the really exciting part because in June, which has 30 days, I'm planning to complete the matching numbered sections each day. And as you can see, the numbering isn't in order at all, it's completely random, so the actual image will probably only start revealing itself toward the very end. Now let's see how big one of these sections actually is. I measured it 10 by 12 centimeters, which is honestly pretty large. And now I show you a tiny little spoiler by lifting the paper in the upper corner, not to reveal the painting itself, but so you can see that the symbols printed on the canvas are also black and white, just like mystery paintings usually are. If I remove the entire cover sheet, the hidden shape would probably become visible, but because everything is printed in black and white, it would still be impossible to fully understand what the finished artwork will look like. But don't worry, I'm definitely not going to reveal the design. A mystery should stay a mystery. Okay, I said it was huge, or at least huge in my opinion. So let me show it from further away so you can get a better sense of the size. And actually, I already prepared everything last night. Right now, the diamonds are stored in little bags because I didn't have any empty storage containers nearby. Now that everything is unpacked, I can show you the colors more closely, and honestly, I think they are absolutely gorgeous. And I should also mention that I personally think the jewel quality is excellent. Yes, there are a few badly cut or damaged pieces here and there, but Picmondoo always includes way more jewels than needed in their kit, so you can safely throw those imperfect ones away. Back to the canvas, it feels soft and silky, while the adhesive is still excellent. I've genuinely never had issues with it before. The canvas edges are nicely finished and the symbol chart is very easy to read as well. So that's pretty much everything I could quickly show you today. I'm planning to start this project on June 1st and hopefully work on it daily. Honestly, I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with the pace, but I truly hope so. Most likely you will be able to follow my progress in the short feed. And before I say goodbye, one more important detail. Here you can see that my painting is numbered. There really aren't many left from this limited edition release. If you still don't have a summer project yet, definitely take a look at this product on the Picmondoo website. I left the link in the video description, and you can also use the code BB for a 20% discount on your order. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful weekend and a sunny summer. Sending you lots of love, Briggy.